2 times square root 2 times square root 8.
Yes. Okay. Square root 2 times square root 8. When a square root multiplies square root, it means square root 2 times 8, which give you square root 16. And this give you 4. So the product of two irrational number give you a rational number. All of you understand? Okay, then I'll go to the next one. The product of two rational number is a irrational number. Okay, Gideon, how do I do this? Now this is the other way around.
Two times 4.
Square root 2 times square root 4, is it? But square root 4 is not a rational. Okay, square root 4 is a rational number, but square root 2 is not a rational. I need two rational.
Square root 4 times square root 81.
Okay, so it is square root 4 times 81. Let me see. 4 times 81, if I square root it, no. This one is 324. If you square root 324, you get 18. Okay, yes, correct. They are one rational and two rational, yes. Okay. Square roots, question C. The product of a rational number and an irrational number is an rational number. Alvin, how do I do this?
The product of the 4 times the product of the 2.
The product of 4. Okay, what do you mean by product of 4? Product means multiply, right?
Yeah.
A rational number multiply a irrational number. So what is the rational number that you are picking?
4.
4. Okay, I'm using 4. Irrational number?
2.
2 is a irrational number. Are you sure? 2 is a rational number. It is not an irrational. Are you saying square root 2 or what?
Square root 2.
Okay. Then this 4 is the 4 square root 4 or just 4?
Square root 4.
Yes. Square root 4 times square root 2, you get square root 8, which is an irrational number. Yes. Okay. Let me know once you finish copy this. Give me a thumbs up. And Gillian done. Alwan done, Learning done, Rais done, Tashwindra done. Okay. Decide whether the statement true or false. If it is true, give an example. So an integer can be an irrational number. Really? True or false? What is an integer means?
A whole number.
Yes. Can a whole number be an irrational number?
No.
No. Okay. So A is false. B. Can an irrational number be an irrational number can be negative. Right? Is true or false?
True.
True. Okay. Can you give me an example?
Negative 2.
2 is a whole number. So negative 2 is a rational. I need an irrational number which is negative. Right? Try again.
I'm not.
Sorry.
I do not.
Okay. Yes, this is true. So an example, it is negative square root 2. Or you can say negative pi or negative square root 3. Remember, your negative, you need to put outside of the square root. Okay, you cannot put inside. Okay, if you use your calculator, you press square root negative 2, you wouldn't get your answer. Okay, but you press negative square root 2, then you get your answer. Negative 1.414 something. Okay, question C. The square root of a natural number can be a natural number. Tashwindan, true or false?
True.
Okay, can you give me an example? If it's true, give me an example.
Square root 9.
Yes, square root 9. Because square root 9 is 3. Or even square root 4, square root 16, square root 81. Okay, so question D. Okay. The square root of a natural number can be a negative integer. Jillian, true or false?
Teacher, what is natural number?
Sorry?
What is natural number?
Natural number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not the negative number.
And false.
Square root 4. No, if you square root 4, is it a positive or negative integer?
No, I say false. False.
Oh, false. Okay, yes. The square, okay, why it is false is because if you square root a number, you always, if you square root a positive number, you always get a positive number. Okay, you can't square root a negative number. Just like what I mentioned just now, if you put this, no. Okay, question E. The square root of a natural number can be a can be a rational number. Alvin, true or false?
True.
Okay, give me an example.
Square root 4.
Okay, yes. You can say square root 4. Square root of a natural number can be an irrational number. Green, true or false?
False.
Why false? It should be true. What about if I square root 2? 2 is a natural number, right? If I square root 2, is it an irrational number become? Okay, so it should be true, and the example will be square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, square root 6, and square root 7, and so on. Let me know once you finish copy this. All right, it's done.